Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Boyfriend Beater Regrets Trying to Bully Young Female Officer. Let's get into the video.
I'm not aggressive. I can touch him any way I want to touch him. No, you can't. It's the I can't.
After getting caught physically abusing her boyfriend, this entitled brat tries to bully the female officer who confronts her, but instantly regrets it when her backup arrives.
Okay, just relax. I'm asking him a question.
Let me go, 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 let me go.
Separate.
Shalice, let me go, man.
Hey, stop hitting him. Stop hitting him. Stop. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. You want to know what he be doing? Let him go. I don't know at the moment, but you was something right now. Let him go. Let
me go in front of the police for real, though. You tweaking, bro.
Let him go.
You talk to me another time. You ain't
let him go.
I'm
never talking to you.
Okay,
let him go.
You want to go to jail, bro. You tweaking.
Let him go. Don't touch me. Stop. Don't touch me.
Stop. You tweaking.
Stop. I'm not doing nothing. You are. You assaulted this man. Stop. Don't touch me. Stop.
Bro.
I don't care. Y'all together? Don't touch me. Stop.
Shalisa, stop. You gonna go to jail.
Don't touch me. Stop. Let me go.
Man, stop tweaking, man.
Let me go.
Man, you gonna go to jail,
It
bro.
don't matter.
Just take her to a car. I don't want to go to jail.
I know you don't want, but it's too late. She already didn't hit you. Like,
No,
I
it's
don't
cool.
care. Calm down.
I don't want to be personal charge on.
Calm down.
Calm down, bro. You start talking about you don't care.
Calm down.
Relax, bro.
Because why you do that? Why you do that?
Why you just do that?
Why you do that? Why you do that?
You need to relax, bro. Relax.
I'm finna see you.
Don't touch me. Go to jail, bro. Just go to your car, Shalisa, please. Could you just go to your car?
All right, what's going on?
I'm not aggressive. I can touch him any way I want to touch him. No, you can't. Yes, the I can't.
Can I see some ID?
No. What's your name?
Okay, so somebody called about a phone, your phone being
Yeah,
taken.
I got it.
Okay.
I just want her to go home. Just go home.
No, I'm finna be his ass. Y'all want to sit here and watch? Press the charges.
Well, go on, man.
Why? What's going on?
Girl, shut up.
Tell her what's
Look. We need to separate, okay? We need to separate.
Don't touch me. Attacking him. Don't touch me.
Go to jail.
Okay, I'm gonna hit you.
You gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna knock your ass out.
Stop.
All right,
Stop. No, because you keep hitting him.
Okay, I'm done hitting him.
Stop. All right?
Let me go.
What do you do?
What do you do? I'm walking back to my car.
Stay right here. What do you do?
I hope he died.
Stay right here. No.
I'm going to my
Turn
car.
around. Turn around. I'm telling you, just turn around. Turn around.
Don't touch me.
Turn around. No. Stop, please. No. Stop. You hit me. Okay. Stop. Get on the ground. No, you need to step back.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
No.
Hey! Get your fucking hands behind your back. Hold on.
Oh, now you want to stand up right after you swing at me, right? You know.
Put your hands behind your back. All right, just tell me we're good now.
For the other question, take a slow down.
Don't touch me. Stop.
Hello.
Good. She's good. Relax. Stop doing all that. Stop.
Don't crush me in the comment section. I'm just shooting my shot here. I do have a Patreon. If you didn't know, go check it out. The link is in the description box. See what we got going on. It's the best way to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
You doing too much. What's wrong with you, bro?
Look,
You upset with this?
she made it worse than it needed to be, right? All we were trying to do is de-escalate and have you guys go your way, right?
Leave me alone.
But no, she want to be swinging, right?
It's not worth it. One detain for now. It's not worth it. You really tweaking, bro.
Leave. You want to be with someone? Leave. Go get my car.
You can't be hitting motherfuckers, man. Relax.
I can do whatever I want
You
to
ain't
do.
doing
Man, take me
quiet.
out these handcuffs.
No, you're not. You're under arrest.
Nigga, fuck me.
That's cool.
Man, shut your ass up. Sit on down.
She swung at you?
Yeah, she did.
I didn't swing at her.
All right, cool. She can cuff?
I swung at
All right,
you,
here.
but it could be whatever.
Here, can you get your leg in between?
Of course I can.
Okay, are you okay?
I'm fine.
All right. All right, stand up. Let's get her cut from behind.
I can put them back behind me. Damn, like it ain't that serious.
Well, you already slipped them. So, here. Hey, here. Oh, pat her down.
Stop.
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to do nothing. I'm trying to put my butt through.
Put your... You already swinged them. Okay, pat her down.
Shut the f up. Call Summer, bitch. Just what you talking about. And it don't take 30 million white people to come out here.
She flexible, ain't she? Boy, she can put the legs through the thing and slip the butt through the and do all of that. Listen. Oh man. Bro, man, probably did something at the club or something like that. You know what I mean? Probably danced with a little shorty or something. And now she going off the rails, or he probably done did something with another chick. Cause that's typically the things that get women to flip like that. You know what I'm saying? Is typically when another girl is involved. So she probably just got caught up in something or whatever. But what you cannot do, you shouldn't be putting your hands on nobody regardless. But especially not in front of the police. You going to jail. You going to jail off rip. Off rip, man. But they got her together, though. They were struggling a little bit, but they did end up getting her together. Man, you can't make this stuff up, man. I feel bad for my guy, man. He getting abused. You know what I'm saying? Women beating up on him and crazy. Now, imagine if he hit her in self-defense. Her whole should be lumped up crazy. You know what I'm saying? See? You shouldn't be putting your hands on nobody, man. It's unacceptable.
Look who's around, first off.
You sound like.
Okay. So she's on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Oh.
All right.
Can you go get my phone?
Oh, come on. We're not hanging
I
out.
act like I gotta do something. Like, please.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care either.
Whose squads are this?
This is fine.
You got her? You got her?
Y'all don't have to hold me. Y'all act like I gotta do it.
Why are you talking shit?
I can talk whatever I want to talk. It's America, right? Okay, then you shut the fuck up and I'll shut the fuck up.
We weren't even here for this, so don't take out whatever you did on us. No one's been aggressive. I just met you. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You got blood coming out.
Do you want to check?
Yeah, are your hands
Do you want to
bleeding?
check?
I try to help
Do you
you
want
out.
to check? Because I don't know. They have handcuffs on me, so I can't do too much of anything.
We'll look in the station.
Relax. It's over there.
She's got blood on her. Who is it?
Yeah, my finger close to the ground.
Yeah,
Here.
my finger. It was on
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
All right.
Keith, right? Your name is Keith?
Yeah.
Keith Burns?
Yeah.
Okay, so she didn't hit you at all?
No, she ain't hit me.
You guys just arguing?
Yeah, there's an argument.
So you called why? Because I know you called.
She had my phone.
Okay, so
Someone else over there with Compagna? I don't know why we got 5 people called for them,
okay, you guys were arguing, which happened where at Elmwood and Randolph, right?
Yeah.
She took your phone, and then she ran away, and then you chased after her.
No, she ended up getting my phone back, and I walked over. She was walking with me, and that's when we came over here.
And then so nothing got physical at all.
No,
as of now,
ain't no physical.
and it's just verbal argument.
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you know one thing. Since it's that's your girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
All right. Since you guys were in an argument, it's some type of domestic. It's not domestic battery, but it's a domestic incident. What I'm gonna do right now is make a report about this. I'm gonna give you the IDVA. It's an Illinois Domestic Violence Act.
I don't want none of that. I don't want that to even go on those systems about, man. We want
I gotta do it. It's my job. I gotta do it. So I'm gonna make a quick report about this. She's not gonna be charged for whatever you guys had going on because it wasn't physical, but she's gonna get charged for that because that's battery to PO.
What's that?
It's a battery to PO. It's a felony. Okay. So if you can, just stay right here. I'm gonna go back to my car. I'm gonna get a report number. I'm gonna give it right back to you. If you want to ride back to your car, let me know because I know your Alfa Romero's over there and it's still running.
Yeah, I know. I don't want no ride. I want right there.
All right. Okay. I know your jacket was hanging out on the window, right?
Yeah.
I think one of my coworkers grabbed it, so I'm gonna talk to him see if I can get it back to you. Okay.
All right.
Do you want your IDVA? Okay, it's something that explains domestic violence and all that. So I can't like force it on you, but just a piece of paper that we like to hand just in case.
I have no domestic violence situation.
Okay, then we can't force you to take it. So if you want more information on it, feel free to check in at the station, and we'll bring one out to you.
Well, how I know what's going on with her?
What happening with her is obviously you saw what happened. You can't just swing at police officers. So she was taken into custody. Once again, it's her information. I can't go further into it. If she wants to call you, or we can tell you, I got to go back to the station anyway. I'll say, hey, I'm sorry, what's your name? Keith. You need to. Did they get your information and date of birth? You got full information, date of birth, and everything, right?
No, he didn't provide me with his date of birth or name.
Keith Burns.
Yeah.
So Keith Burns.
We just get a date of birth because we got to say because we're handing off keys and everything. We got to make sure we know who we're talking.
I don't want to do all that. Get all my information on
What's your date of birth, man?
I gave my name.
What's your date of birth?
He got a felony, man, or not a felony. He got a whatchamacallit. He probably got a warrant or something. That's why he didn't want to get involved with it. He's still holding it down for his lady too, though, man. This is the things that guys do, man. Guys don't really be running to the cop. You know, even if a girl is in the wrong or whatever the case may be, they not gonna dime you out. You know, now if it's the other way around or something like that, man, she hollering at the cops for real. But, you know, like I said, nobody should be abusing each other either way it goes. But you just gotta look at the mindset between the male and female dynamic here. I mean, we see the flip side of it, you know, and this guy, you know, the cop right there in front of him, she's seeing when she put them paws on you. You know what I'm saying? Nah, we ain't nothing got physical. And the cops can't, you know, they can't do nothing. You know what I mean? So, man, he probably got a warrant though, for real.
Stuff. We're handing off property.
Go in the system and all that.
All we're gonna do is write a report that saying we turned over keys to her. Keith Burns, male, black, date of birth, so and so.
Y'all ain't turned them over to me though. She gave them to me.
Okay, but we can say that you
y'all,
have
when
them.
y'all pulled up, it wasn't no car. The car not even right here, so that shouldn't even matter to y'all for real.
I'm just trying to do it right by her.
I just want to know what's going on with her.
Listen, I can pass on on information to her. Say, hey, Mr. Burns was you to call to check in to see what's going on. But can you help by giving us some information so I can fill out
my number and tell her to call me?
I don't have to do anything.
Could you? I ain't say you have to.
Okay, then I'll see what I gotta do. I got a bunch of stuff I'm running around to do tonight.
That's cool. Y'all have a good day.
All right.
Okay, then that's not right. That's supposed to take me to my child.
Okay, if you say so. Stop. It's all being recorded. Are you drunk?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any mental problems? Any health problems?
No.
Any mental health problems?
That's what I am.
You're what?
I'm mad. And when I get mad, I'm fucking.
Yeah, I can tell, but you need to relax. Okay, wow. All right.
What?
Are you going to be a problem?
No.
Okay, stand up.
There's no black people here.
Okay. Sorry. Stand up and get out of the car, please. Like an adult.
I think I was
Okay.
You don't have to. You don't have to get away, man. You want me to take everything off? I could just take everything off. Everybody want to see?
No, but we want your necklace off and that's it. If I take the cuffs off, are you going to act like an adult?
I mean, I'm barely an adult, but okay.
I don't even know. I didn't even gotten your name yet. Get your bloody hands away from me.
You look like I got an STD or something. Y'all threw me on the ground.
I don't know you.
So
I need medical.
You don't have to. I can just tell you. I'm making y'all job hard.
Yeah, you are.
Good.
But I get paid. And I'm here all night.
Good. Well, then, I'm doing your job.
Are you getting paid right now?
No.
No. Okay.
It don't matter if I am or not. You are.
Yep.
That's all that matters.
That's right. You just swung at my coworker.
Did I? You weren't there.
Take off your necklace, your bracelet, your ring.
Anything else you want me to take off?
That's it.
Was I talking to you?
Well, because it's finally not at me. Is there anything I can do that will make you act a little calmer? I saw it.
You can bring him here. I can beat the shit out of him, but
That's not an option. Can you do the belly button ring?
Sure.
Is this a piercing? The only thing right here on you. Is that a piercing?
are you looking? It's not a piercing. It's a mole.
Okay.
Is it okay if my friend takes the car keys?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
But when I find him,
It's okay though?
yeah, he can take it for now.
Yeah.
He can get the shit out of him. Never date anybody with kids. So. Here, you know what? Just take it.
All right. How about your little jacket? All right. We're gonna get a female to search you in a little bit.
If you want to, you can.
What do you want? You need a glass of water? Here, step over here. Just throw it on the bench. There's blood. Be careful. No.
Go sit
That was a door in the tank, no?
Shalisa Tucker was charged with battery and resisting a peace officer.
She fine as fuck too. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I know my boy going crazy with that, man. Hey, listen, this is for the fellas, you know? Well, I don't know if you watch me, but fellas that's into some chocolate, you know what I mean? Yeah, she fine. I ain't gonna lie. She crazy though. And that's why guys be getting hooked like that, man. It be the crazy ones that got that pressure, man. I'm trying to tell you. They apply that pressure on you, boy. It's like, damn. You know, but hopefully they both get some help, man. He did, I ain't gonna lie. He did do the right thing, you know what I'm saying? Holding it down, you know, not trying not to get his chick in trouble, but she just went off the handle, you know what I mean? So it's like, she gonna get locked up for hitting the officers. So it's like, you know, you can't, there's only so much that you can do. You know, but he probably got a warrant or something like that. That's why he ain't really want to get involved like that. But, man, she cute. I'm not gonna lie. She cute, man. She cute. Body nice, right? Yeah. Yeah. She throwing it on, my boy. Got my boy hooked, boy. That's why he is accepting abuse from her. That's what's going. He hooked. That's why he's even accepting abuse from her, man. If it was an ugly chick, there's no way you accepted that type of stuff. You know what I mean? But anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. I mean, I think they get, you know, they try to control it the best way they could. I know it's difficult dealing with, you know, just having one officer there in the beginning, but once everybody got there and got everything under control, they did the best job that they could. So I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.